This paper is of May-June 2023 and variant is 32. First question of this paper is solve the inequality. A modulus of 5x minus 3 is less than 2 into modulus of 3x minus 7. We have to solve this inequality. For this we will take square each side. 5x minus 3 modulus is less than 2 into 3x minus 7 modulus. Taking square each side, 5x minus 3 square is less than. Now on the right side we will take the whole square of this. 2 will also be included. 2 into 3x minus 7 whole square. Now using identities on the left hand side and as well as on the right hand side, using identity we get 25x square plus 9 minus 30x less than 4. 2 square is 4. Now we use here identity 9x square plus 49 minus 42x a square plus b square minus 2ab. 25x square plus 9 minus 30x is less than. Uh, Now we multiply 4 with these three terms of bracket. 36x square plus 196 minus 168x. Shifting these three terms on the left hand side from left hand side to right hand side, we get 0 less than 36x square plus 196 minus 168x minus 25x square minus 9 plus 30x. Now collecting the like terms, 36 minus 25, that is 11. 0 is less than 11x square. Collecting x terms, minus 138x plus 187. Collecting constant terms. Now we can write it as, or we can write 11x square minus 138x plus 187 is greater than 0. Now this is a quadratic inequality. We will find two values of x. Now we use here a quadratic formula or calculator. We get two values of x from here. X is equal to 11 or x is equal to 17 over 11. So we know we can write this inequality in the factor form. x minus 11 into x minus 17 over 11 is greater than 0. Now we write here the set of values of x which satisfy this inequality. For this, we will take help from this diagram. Suppose this is x-axis, graph of quadratic is parabolic form, intersection of x-axis and the curve. These are 2 points, these are two solutions. Smaller value, that is 17 over 11 on the left hand side, on the right hand side the greater value. So this is 17 over 11, this value is 11. Now the solution is away from this point, from this point. So this arrow shows the values greater than 11. This arrow shows the values less than 17 over 11. So finally, final solution set of values are x greater than 11 or x smaller than 17 over 11. These are the set of values which satisfy the given inequality.